Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen problem. Let's fix it guys. You just want to right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. Opens up local app data. In here you just want to delete the Valorant folder guys. Right click on it and delete it guys. And you just want to search for Riot games folder in here, double click on it and right click on the Valorant folder and select delete it guys. After deleting it, close out of here. Now open up Epic Games or any launcher you are using it. For checking the file location where Valorant are saved in, select the three dot icon, select manage. You just need to installation, select the folder in here, the game saved folder we have find it. You just need to in here go back to Valorant and Valorant game here saved in. Open it. Double click on the Valorant again. Click on double click on live. In here you just want to delete these two files guys. Man fetch debug file win64 man fetch non UFS file. Just want to delete it. Delete it guys. Don't wrong, Valorant will be create these files again once we start the game next time. Just want to delete both files in here. After deleting it, close out of here. This was the first solution guys. If these solutions work for you, you give me a like and give me a comment that works or not. This first solution doesn't work for you, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution consists of three simple steps. The first step is to uninstall Riot Vanguard. Vanguard will automatically install when we start Valorant. To uninstall Riot game, want to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select the uninstaller program. In here you just want to right click on the Riot Vanguard and select uninstall guys. Select as and uninstall it. Press in keyboard F5 to refresh the control panel. Select uninstall using compatibility setting guys, click on it. To install it again I am opening Valorant. Now in here you just need to click on the install option over here and install it guys. Click on the install option and install it. Click on S and install it. Now installing Riot Vanguard. As you can see, Vanguard is installing. After complete installation we just need to restart our computer guys. If we don't, there will an error occur when we open the game. That was the first step guys. Second step, second solution, you just want to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. In here you just need to select the browse option, click on it, and where your game is located you just need to find it. I just saved in local disk D. Double click on the game location. In here you just want to go to Valorant game just saved in, go inside of it and double click on the live and click on the Valorant, select add. The same thing you just want to browse it again, go to shooter game, double click on it, go to binaries, double click on it and win64, double click on it and Valorant win64 shipping application, click on add it. The same way, click on option and select high performance and save it guys, both of it. Select option and high performance, save it. And this is the second step guys. Let's move on to the third step. The third step is to change priority guys. First we just need to open the Valorant in background. After that right click on the taskbar and select task manager, and in here you just want to go to details tab guys and scroll down and find Riot game services. Right click on it and select priority to real time. Select change priority, and after changing it, the same thing for Riot client ux.exe, the same thing, set priority to real time. And after changing it, close out of here. Now open up the game and check your problem has been resolved or not. Hopefully at this point your problem will be resolved guys. Give me a like and comment. Thanks for watching my video.